Here it is, service, breakdown, tool bag and loadout. Best one I've had. The main thing about this is everything's in one bag. It's lightweight, easy to carry, compact, smaller than the Milwaukee one I had, and it's not just a strap, it's a backpack, so it's much easier to handle. Carry to those awkward jobs, top of the flats, boats, caravans where you got to walk miles. Perfect. So you got your leak spray tape on the side, inhibitor test kit, Unilite, pen, Sharpie on the side, hard shell on the front. Got my Regan multimeter, again nice and compact, Testo manometer, digital U gauge, Bluetooth to your phone, tapes, gloves, and a bit of blue roll in there, wiping up condensed messes and that. These you can do with one hand. Little dust sheet for your tools, waterproof. Larger dust sheet I lay down to put the bag on, just to keep customers happy. Rubble sack draining down. Regan pump and adapter, mini pump. Regan drain hose. Also got the Regan tightness test. Little bleed on there. I'll just put it all in one reel. Main compartment. Angled long nose pliers, good for Worcesters, Alphas, slim jaw, Bahco adjustable spanner, good for Ideals and Alphas as well. Posi Phillips slotted, terminal driver Regan, handy. Adjustable mirror, brush, gas meter, test point driver, flexi to get in all the awkward ones. Double-ended spanner, 15mm, 22mm compression nut, super handy, Silverline. 4mm T-bar, pumps and plate heat exchangers, brush, tap spanner, does a lot of the drain offs. Stubby hex keys, again I find them better for adjusting gas valves so they don't fall out. In the bag, PTFE, got yellow insulation tape. This has got bicarb soda in, squirting in the heat exchangers, and then the bristle brush, like your filament one that you attach to the drill, but I'm trying to get everything into this bag, so I brush out the heat exchanger and spray it with that. WD-40, those naughty screws, and then I've got a little pot of grease, that's poly pipe in there, and then a little pot of compound. And the zip, odds and sods, get you out of trouble. And that is for the Testo. It's the temperature differential probes or wraps. You wrap it around the pipe and you get the temperature differential for my Testo 320. In the back, the one and only stool. The stool in all its glory. Hop up, get up to those test points and flues. Holds up to 150 kilos. I haven't fallen off it yet. I've had it over a year. So yeah, perfect, handy, compact. Next, Testo 320 analyzer, beautiful thing. The newest edition, this Regin compact vacuum and air duster. So you just twist the top and it changes from vacuum mode to air dust mode. Push the button, suction, push it again, super suction. Handy. Thermometer, electric lighter, flexible again, good for getting into pilot assemblies. Solenoid tester, pouch, all sorts of washers, electro gaskets, signage, warning labels. In here we've got the sharp objects, I don't want to pierce the bag, closure plate cutters, well, don't have to use it for that, just cut anything with these. Pick for those O-rings you can't get to or get out, and fibre washers on inlet valves. Knipex grips, mini adjustables, a probe in there, the analyzer, some more gloves and that in there. Sort of the harder bits, caps, plugs, keys, magnet in there as well. So this is everything I need for a breakdown or service in one bag. Don't need to go to the van, it's not heavy, it's fine. The way the bag's laid out, it's comfy to wear, my back's fine. Perfect, unless I need parts, everything I've got is in the bag. If you've got any questions guys, or anything like that, or you want me to go into detail on anything else, or any questions regarding servicing or breakdowns, put it in the comments, I'll get back to you. If this has helped you out, or you enjoy my videos anyway, give me a thumbs up. It does help the videos and how they do in the long run. If you add me on social media, on Instagram or Twitter, then you can find some competitions, promotions, and some plumbing disasters as well. That does it for this video. Thanks for watching.